Ka Prasar Bharati, ka public service broadcaster jonggeri India, Akashvani Jowai hak arpoi trik nopra, kelayu ban rakhe ka lyngkhuh snem ka balai pau jongka, na du bakalas dang ya ka jing shakri bakarpang, ha kini ki arpanda telik snem ki balalit no, hapo rilum jaintia. Ha kani ka program bala penlong hapo kyang nang ba Government College Auditorium Hall Jowai, Layudan lang Ru Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District Uba BS Solia kum ukongsan nalor u Additional Director General ANBOCO Akashvani NEZ Akashvani and Dudarshan u Ashish Bhatnagar kihe na kitanat sorkar kidkhot na ka Akashvani Jowai nalor kiwe. Ha ka jingkran kum ukongsan uba Solia ulapan kan mau ye kisingi balapha ya ka we ka jingkarpa jingrwai lingba ka postcard bat nang tala pule kerpang ya unong pediang. Ula banjor ya ka jingdon kam jong ka FM radio hakba ay ka jingtip ki ba kordor khamtam na ka benta ka jingmanto jong ki nongrem. U Solia ulapan kut da ka bapen pau ya ka jingdon kam jong ka perthei barok ka we ya ka jingpen bernya haki rukam ba pher kata la kalong lingba ki jingrwai ki video ni kanuk rukam ka ban pensngotho. Lapan shongkun ya ka program da ka jingpen i ya ka video lingkat ya ka history jong ka Akashvani Jowai ha ka ba u deputy director e cluster head u ba Hamarlin Dingdo ula a ya ka jingkran pediang bat penbut da ki jingrwai na ki staff jong ka Akashvani Jowai. Lapan kut ya ka jingrakhe da ka jingshat jingrwai Christmas bat bot da ka jingshat tenra jantia na ka chanhun lalu bat ka kinhun. Hadien la beteng da ki jingrwai tenra na lor ki jingrwai Hindi bat ki wei pat ki jingpan bernya.
Stand here also to give a kind of a testimony that the radio as an instrument, like right from the time when I was a young boy, at that time there was this program. Of course, we tuned into the radio. It was a big radio. Those big ones. Aerial. We used to tie it up and stretch across the room. I was a young lad at that time, and this apart from the news, apart from everything else, it's this program. It's either at 8 o'clock or 8:30. I'm not mistaken. Every Thursday or Friday. It's called A Date with You. English songs. That these are the request programs. So we'll have to write what we want our songs to be played on the radio and send it by postcard. And these postcards will reach All India Radio. At that time it was still, we call it All India Radio Syllad. It will reach there, and the announcer will read out, the next song is by so and so an artist. And it goes out for the listening pleasure of, and then they'll read out your names and it's to whom we've dedicated this song to, or it's very nostalgic. Something when I stand here and I would like to confess also that almost all Saturdays normally whenever there are programs, Machalam here will bear testimony to that I politely refuse. Most probably they still listen, they have the radio. The MC just now was mentioning, like a gentleman loves listening to the radio, especially Akashvani Jowai, because it's in different languages, and I think that's I think the reach is better than most probably the private the radio channels. But Akashvani Jowai can reach out through its wavelength to each and every nook and corner, not just the district of West Giant Hills, but also to the district of East Giant Hills, the Giant Hills as a whole, and different aspects of the government, the schemes, the programs. We showed in the slide. Our additional Director General also mentioned Man Ki Baat and all that. That is the message of the Prime Minister. It's carried throughout from this office, from this station. And apart from that comes the most important thing that apart from news and bulletins and the etc., the various issues plaguing society and these different talk shows. Of course, I have not tuned in properly to listen, but then I know that it's a fact and that has it has an impact. It has an it'll keep on having an impact on the various the listeners. We are tuned to entertainment. We are tuned to entertainment. We want to be entertained. We have to be entertained. We have to get that entertainment from any form, be it like by listening to the radio, by watching the TV, by going somewhere where people are, performing, theatre, art, music, comedy. We want to be entertained. We need to be entertained, because without entertainment, we will not be able to, most probably function properly as human beings. We need that. It's a break, we call it, and it helps us.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here amongst all of you to witness the entry of the 30th year of Akashvani Jowai. I congratulate you all for the successful day of your own Akashvani. I call it your own Akashvani because you know that your Akashvani is really unique. The name itself suggests Akashvani. Akash means sky. The sky can't belong to only me. The sky can't belong only to Hamar. Sky can't belong only to you. The sky belongs to everyone. So this Akashvani, you are an equal partner in Akashvani as I am. And Vani is voice. You can't touch it. You can't stop it. It is a unique thing. And when it combines as Akashvani, it becomes too sacred. And truly coming to its name, Akashvani Jowai is doing wonderfully well. It has been doing so well in past years, and I see the same possibility for the future as well, looking at this young and bright staff who just rendered a beautiful song in front of us.
सीने में चुभन, आंखों में जलन, ये तूफान सा क्यों है? इस शहर में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों है? This means some problems inside, some problem in the eyes. Why everybody in the town is so puzzled? Why everybody in the town is so distressed? And that's what we see today. I spent a big chunk of my life at Delhi, at Mumbai, and of course even in Guwahati and in Shillong as well. Now I see everybody, most of us, just running from morning to evening.
निर्वात है क्या की Thank you.